Right now, in Nipissing District, approximately 8,415 people are living in poverty, including 1,770 families. That's approximately 1 in 15 families that are struggling to make ends meet. Poverty is about more than just low income. It is often a cluster of factors in which people feel they have no control over their circumstances. The Statistics Canada low income cutoff after tax is the level below which a family spends 20% more of their income than the average family on their basic needs of food, shelter, and clothing. For example, a family of 4 living in North Bay earning less than $30,487 per year after tax is considered to be living with a low income. A family with a monthly income of $2,345.15 or less is considered low income. Let's consider a family where the adults are earning minimum wage. This could be a family of 4, a father, a mother, a boy age 9, and a girl age 7. Both parents are minimum wage workers, one full-time at 37.5 hours per week, and the other working part-time at 22 hours per week. Together, they earn $28,123.68. This annual income already places them below the low-income cutoff line. How far does $2,163 in Nipissing really go? How do you budget for your family's needs? What will you go without? You make the tough choices. Data collected by the North Bay Parry Sound District Health Unit shows that it will cost a family of 4 $702 per month to eat nutritiously.
When healthy foods are not affordable and it's difficult to eat a well-balanced diet, the risk of chronic disease increases. Not being able to afford nutritious food also has an effect on kids. Children that are not nourished have difficulty learning, concentrating, and have increased absenteeism in school. So it's evident that income and not being able to afford nutritious food is a barrier to one's health and quality of life for children and adults alike.
In North Bay, a family of 4 will spend on average $883 per month to rent a 3-bedroom apartment. It's important to note that in North Bay, average rent rates have been rising while vacancy rates have been falling. North Bay's current vacancy rate is 2.4%, which is one of the lowest in the province of Ontario. This means that only about 2 out of every 100 private apartments are currently available for rent.
The environment for renting, let alone purchasing, is extremely tight and extremely challenging within North Bay and the surrounding area. The prices are incredible. High rents don't necessarily dictate quality of housing either. Because there's such a shortage of housing, it's extremely challenging and difficult for families.
In order to stay warm and secure, this family will spend $320 per month on utilities.
Imagine if it's everything, you know? It's like when they're doing a water repair up the road. You can't imagine how many times you use your water. You don't even think of it, right? Until it isn't there. And then you know that it's a huge issue and really important.
The average household in Ontario will spend $304 per month to have the necessary clothing, footwear, and accessories that are needed for all seasons and occasions. For a family of 4 living below the poverty line, spending $304 per month on clothing is not an option. To get the minimum clothing and footwear that their family needs, they will spend roughly $65 per month. Transportation is needed for the parents to get to work, pick up their children from daycare, get groceries, and attend appointments. This will cost roughly $220 per month. For people living in rural areas of Nipissing District, having access to a vehicle is a necessity because public transportation is often not available. OHIP does not cover all healthcare costs. Expenses for necessities such as eyeglasses, prescriptions, over-the-counter medicines, and adult dental care can add up quickly. Many low-income families do not have the supplemental medical insurance to cover these items. The average household in Ontario will spend $151 per month on healthcare. These working parents require 3 days of licensed after-school childcare for their children. Even with subsidized care, this family will spend approximately $33 per month for childcare services. Childcare is important for all children. Quality before and after-school programming has been found to bolster academic success, particularly for disadvantaged children. For basic personal care items like toothpaste, shampoo, soap, deodorant, and feminine care products, a family of 4 is likely to spend at least $40 per month to purchase these items on sale.
You're not replacing dish soap, you're not going to be buying shampoo, you're going to be scrounging to get through to have decent lunches for the kids to go to school. You're going to be doing the bare minimum of what you have to do.
A basic telephone line will cost approximately $40 per month.
If you file a job application and you don't have a phone number to leave on there, or can I get you to call my neighbor, or things like that that happen, that's a mark against you right there.
So now you're $291 over budget, and you still don't have everything you need. What will your family do without? When you're living in poverty, these are the decisions you have to make every day. Let's be honest. Poverty exists in our community. It certainly is unsettling to know that many of our neighbors and children are living in poor housing and don't have enough food to eat. These conditions impact long-term health, well-being, social, and interpersonal relationships. It doesn't need to be this way. Strategies to lessen poverty are within our reach. Through system, policy, and program changes, a better future is possible.